I'm back with Andrew Bascand and Christian Hawkesby from Harbour Asset Management. We've already heard about New Zealand and its ongoing success story. How does Harbour help investors access New Zealand's opportunities?
Harbour Asset Management is a leading funds manager in the New Zealand market. We've got around 40 large institutional clients who've trusted our money with us. And the reason they've done that is because of our expertise, our experience, and more importantly, the transparency with respect to our investment processes. And we've been doing this for a long time now, so people, when they're giving us their money, I think understand quite clearly how we're going to invest those funds. And they know that we really understand our investment markets.
You mentioned expertise there. Christian, you both have impressive resumes. Tell us about the experience of your team.
That's right, Andrew and I both have central banking and markets backgrounds. More generally within the team, our portfolio managers at Harbour have had around 20 years experience, and the analysts on average have had in excess of 15 years market experience. We've all have international experience through time, both here in London and in elsewhere. And really at Harbour, what we're about is taking global best practice and applying it in the local market, the market we know best.
And what else makes your offering unique?
Well, I think there's an element of the experience of the team, not only individually but collectively in the way that we work together. And secondly, that long track record as a team has enabled us to enhance and build our investment processes. And really that comes through in the performance and the way that that's translated through time. I guess finally, the feedback we get from clients is that they love our research. They love the research we put out, the way that we share our ideas about what the key themes are in markets and what we're doing about that in terms of managing the portfolios.
And Andrew, how are you innovating? How are you finding profit in a low growth world?
We know that investors are really struggling with this as well. And so 3 years ago, we sat down and talked to a whole lot of our clients and asked them a number of questions about how they'd like their money invested in this world. So we didn't just dream up something, it was a process of discussion. And the answers were quite simple. We'd like lower volatility, we'd like yield, and where appropriate, we want diversified growth. More importantly, in fixed income portfolios, we just don't want any defaults. We want high investment grade. So we set about thinking about these ideas, and we built two key new products. An Australasian equity income product, which has lower volatility and strong yields, and we built a core fixed interest product, which ensures significant diversification across a number of strategies, providing investors with a real understanding of what's going on underneath the bonnet. And that transparency, together with the dialogue with clients, is what I call innovative. Innovative to me is not strapping on a whole lot of derivative contracts and using a smart sort of computer and Black-Scholes model. I think we now know that real investing is well beyond that.
And all this adds up to some impressive returns for your clients.
I think clients know that markets go up and down. The last year's been great. You know, we've got returns in our equity products well above 30% for the year, and in our fixed interest products, alphas or added value of well over 1.5%, which is really great in those sorts of products. But our clients know that to get those sort of returns, you have to take risk. So they're more focused on the long-term nature of what we're doing. And over more than 13 and a half years now, we've delivered strong results in our core products. And there have been ups and downs, but people want to build real wealth over the long term. And that's the sort of dialogue we can have with our clients.
Andrew, Christian, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.